I hope you're all well. Right, this is two of Rach's Artful Evidence hashtag challengey things. Because I'm doing it in a book, I put two together, and it's 5 inch by just over 6 inch, so it sort of makes the 6 by 6. Uh, if you can understand that. Right, what I'm doing there is using inktense pencil and then blending it out with watered down acrylic paint. So doing the outline, then washing downwards with the washed out acrylic paint, and this is what I'm doing for around the edges as well. Now, we were going to do it in two separate videos, that's why there's a piece of paper over one side. It was to keep Mick straight on the editing to which side him to put the videos in. So just presume what I'm doing on right is what I'm doing on left and vice versa. I think I ended up losing it towards the end and just took that piece of paper away and just carried on, and it got very complicated. But this is the doodle part of it. Well, they both merge into one at end, but anyway, I'm printed some butterflies here, there and everywhere, dark hands, not quite so dark. Excuse me. Sketched a poodle outline and blocked it in white, and then these are I think the Derwent Metallic Watercolour Pencils that you got me, yeah. And I'm setting it with so I can put more layers over the top with matte medium and water, and when you activate them with that, once it's dry, the waterproof as such, you can put more layers down. Put some white in its eyes and on its nose for highlight, and then just basically carried on. And then I think I put matte medium over the whole caboodle before going in and doing this doodling on top, because stuff gets stuck in your pit pen, so I just find it easier if it's all matte mediumed. Basically just doing Zen doodle type of things. I mean, I'm not a Zen doodler or anything like, but just, getting inspiration off some patterns that I found on internet and other people's channels and things like that. Just ideas that I've collected over the last couple of years, basically, are patterns that I like the look of and that would help accentuate the shape of what I was actually doing it on, if you know what I mean. Yeah, for its ears I've drawn a pencil outline to where I want and I did it for its tail, and its tail's just appeared all in one. I did an outline in pencil and then wiggly lined in various coloured Poscas, metallics and just flat acrylic colours, that would go with the colour of the dog, and just carried on wiggly lining over wiggly line to make it look like hair. And this, I'm using the stamp positioner that I made out of a CD case. Somewhere there'll be a link, you'll put link in, what you make, to that video on how to make one of them, because these came out of, I think, two very small pieces of paper, all them butterflies, that had already been chopped into. But when you're using one of them stamp positioners, you can't actually get quite a lot out. Gluing them down with matte medium, I sort of placed them all in position and glued them all down. And then I think I've tinted a few of them already, but then I'll go in and proper tint them and doodle on them and stuff in a minute. Here I'm putting a bit darker blue around the outsides. It's painter's pen that I really like. When you add to water, it just turns into a lovely blue colour. Now I'm going round with black round the outside, just to sort of make it stronger. And here I'm using a white jelly roll pen, you know, one that everybody uses, to do a doodled border and the title, and it's Zen the Doodle Poodle. In what over it? In a field of, no, Zen the Doodle Poodle of with oodles of flutterbys. That's it. And here's some close-ups. And I don't know what's happened to that bit of footage, but the butterflies were enhanced and coloured in with other rollerball gel marker things, pen things, and fixed again with a bit of matte medium. And I used shiny ones and all different sorts of ones, day glows and stuff like that. Right, I hope somebody will put it on Rach's Facebook page for me, please, if you wouldn't mind sharing it there, because I know people who know me know that I can't do Facebook and stuff. But if somebody could, that would be a real help, thank you. Hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's give you some inspiration, or just maybe a giggle at the daft look on its face. I think it looks a bit shocked rather than Zen-like. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new, have a look around my channel, see what you think, and subscribe if you like it or find it interesting. Okay, bye.